Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your text messages from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. It's quick and easy, and I'll walk you through step by step. Let's get started. Method 1 is using iCloud backup. First, there are 3 crucial things that you have to check on your old iPhone. Let's check them one by one. First, make sure your old iPhone is backed up to iCloud. To do so, open the Settings app on your old iPhone. Now tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. On this screen, click on See All button next to the Save to iCloud section. Fine. Now, guys, click on the messages in iCloud. These settings are off here, so please return the toggle on next to Use on this iPhone. So this type of scene will display. Now tap on Keep Message and choose Forever. If it's already selected, then ignore. Now go back and tap on the Sync Now option. So the status appears to be syncing with iCloud. So the first thing is complete here. The second thing to do on the old iPhone is to go back and then go to the previous screen. So over here, click on iCloud Backup. And make sure Backup this iPhone toggle is on. If the toggle is green, that means your phone's iCloud backup is enabled. But on the same screen, you can see the Backup Now button, and under it, you can see the last backup date and time. My phone's last backup is old, so to transfer all messages up to the date, we need a recent backup. Hence, we can get all message history from the old iPhone to the new one. So, please click on Backup Now. So, the backing up process has started. Please don't do anything now. Keep connected your iPhone to a strong Wi-Fi and wait until the process is completed. This will take time according to your data size. After the backup is completed, bring your new iPhone with you and follow the steps as I guide you. So, set up your new iPhone. Turn on your new iPhone and follow the setup instructions. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID that is the same as logged in on your old iPhone, then choose the most recent backup from your old phone. This will restore all your messages, apps, and data to your new iPhone. The messages should download from iCloud to your new iPhone. In more, you can get all texts you sent to or received from Android phones will also be transferred to your new iPhone. Just make sure your backup includes messages and you use the same Apple ID during setup. For that, open Settings, go to your Apple ID profile name, select iCloud, and tap on See All. Here choose Messages in iCloud, then turn the toggle Use on this iPhone. That's it. Finally, check your messages. Once the setup is complete, open the Messages app on your new iPhone. Your conversations should be there, exactly as they were on your old device. And that's it. Your text messages are now safely transferred to your new iPhone. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.